great time. Man, Chalene delivers all the time.
Pick one and make that your destination. All right, and you take care of the other ones, yes, but there should be one platform where you're going to get through all of your messages where people know they can connect with you.
But this stuff is so good and it's so applicable to anybody. Anybody can create extra streams of revenue or income using social media. Your phone can be a smartphone or a dumb phone, depending on how you use it. And I think so many of us use our phones as a dumb phone. So we're crashing a party right now. Technically it's a Beachbody event, so we're okay to be here, but it's for new coaches. So we're really not supposed to be here. But Melissa told me we could crash this party, so let's go crash a party.
But I took that away from you. And that I'm actually not going to take.
Additionally, number 4, YouTube has mainstream credibility. During primetime hours, on an average day in the US, more 18 to 49-year-olds visit YouTube than any TV network. So just imagine, having a few ranked videos working for your business, whatever your objective.
Why won't my GoPro turn off? Half this episode is gonna be extra shit that wasn't supposed to be in here. I hope you enjoy it. It's morning. It's day 2 of this trip. I should be working out right now. But again, trying to understand this vlog life. I'm trying to get video and stuff to upload so I can get it to my editor. Sorry, Philip. But it's coming to you, buddy. Good. And it's workout time. Hey, you made it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coach Jimmy here. Not coming to you from my normal location. I'm actually set up in a hotel room. Have a great day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you real soon. Take care. Good morning. It's 6:30. I technically could sleep a little longer. I've been going, but I'm up. So I put up a new IG post, and I'm about to go get some bead workout in. Because I look at it this way. If I was already awake, I had some extra time I didn't think I was going to have this morning. There's going to be a time in this trip where I'm running late, I don't get a workout in, and I skip it. But if there's an opportunity right here looking at me in the eye, might as well take it. And I'm spending the day at Disneyland, so let's be honest. There's probably a Mickey ice cream sandwich or 2 in my future today, so I might as well go earn it. The next day, the next adventure, pretty exciting. It's a gorgeous day here in California, and it feels like a magical day to me. I wonder why. So this really cool lady here is gonna let me come play with her team today at Disneyland. It's a rough job. I'm gonna be really honest about it. It's rough. This whole business is really challenging. So we just do cool shit like go to Disneyland. Okay, what are we doing here?
Like right now?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we're riding the Matterhorn at that. See?
This will be the greatest outtake ever. How many phones can you have on one phone? I should take a picture. Game on.
The burger, not the bun.
Rip Sanity from Sean Week on Beachbody On Demand, but also at the end, some old school insanity. That's perfect. Perfect travel workout, man. Weights, cardio, working off all those calories from yesterday at Disneyland, plus getting my body movement is gonna make my brain better for going back to Marketing Impact Academy for a day of learning and travel tonight to Milwaukee. It's almost midnight. Just landed in Milwaukee. Off to get my bags and head to the hotel because the next 2 days I'm doing a story execution workshop with Pat Quinn to just help me be better on stage with my story, make sure that it's structured correctly, make sure that I'm helping as many people as possible, that I'm hitting the right stories, covering the right emotional parts of the story, that I'm giving facts and case studies to back up my claims and my stories. So I'm really excited about this, but your brain it's really funny. Chalene said this week that energy begets energy, and I didn't sleep on the plane, and I worked and I rewrote my notes, and I'm really excited about the next 2 days instead of feeling run down and tired. And I sometimes feel run down or tired at least once a day at home. But I'm here and I'm doing this stuff and I'm in the zone and in the flow, the energy just keeps coming, right? And but that all started with me taking action in the first place. How funny is that? Well, good morning. It's almost 8 o'clock. Here in very snowy, that's all white, so that's snow. Very snowy Milwaukee, and thinking this morning, I'm really thankful for the times this entire trip that I have woken up earlier than my alarm and could have laid in bed and chosen to work out, because I knew this day was coming. I knew that I wouldn't be getting in till super late, and that there was a greater than zero chance that I wouldn't have time to work out today. Energy begets energy, right? You don't feel like doing it and you get moving and you find that the energy finds you. You feel better, you go into the day or the session or whatever you have to do. In my case, it was either learning or the day at Disney. It was needing to know I needed to be my best to serve and help other people. Knowing that if you invest in moving, you're gonna be better on your business trips, on your things where it isn't conducive, it seems a little annoying. Even if it's working out in your hotel room, you're gonna be better. The days I woke up and was like, gosh, I could still lay here for another hour, or I could do something with this, because I've been given this extra time. All right, I gotta get ready.
$1 million, and
A lot of staff here never made more than $30,000 in a year. I don't think it's an association you want in their minds at the start of your presentation.
So we just wrapped up day one of the story execution workshop with Pat. Pat helped us do so much today, was put our thoughts and the things that we wanted to teach people into practical steps. Your goal in speaking or sharing a video or just talking to a friend is to really impact their life. If you want them to be better
coming out of that conversation they were inside, or you want them to take action on something to really impact and change their life. It was pretty fascinating. It's been amazing. There's so many straight days of learning so far, and my brain hasn't completely shut down on me yet. And I go back to energy begets energy. You know, you create this momentum, or you take action, and momentum and motivation and energy finds you. It's not waiting to feel like it and then taking action. It's the other way around. So today's been a good day. I have some homework here to do, and then I think I'm gonna treat myself to a cocktail and a nice dinner downstairs.